Look, Peppa, this house is such a small house, too small for a growing family of round pigs. What? But the new Peppa is much thinner than us, Daddy Pig, so it's alright. Look at how thin she is. Whoop! I'm so thin, you can't even see me.
Hi friends, Peppa Pig has released a new wooden toy range and we have the Peppa Pig house here with us today to unbox and show you all.
Wow! Hello!
So we have a new Peppa Pig. It's a wooden Peppa Pig.
Nope.
We have all the wooden furniture. So we have a table and a lounge where Peppa can sit. And this here looks like a microwave. No, it's a TV. This one's a TV with Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head on there. And we have another desk or a dining table, a refrigerator.
And what's that?
This one looks like a bathtub. So we have a bathtub.
Yes, something.
And this one is the oven for cooking. Okay friends, so we brought out the original Peppa Pig wooden house, the big house, so you can compare how much smaller the other one is. And before we start playing all over, we'll just show you a couple more things we've discovered. So the dining table, flip it over, it becomes a bed. And this is the way you pack it up. So you lift the front of the house up and you have this little thing that comes out. And that's how you pack it up.
And then it opens.
And that's it, it opens up nice and easily. Play! Okay, Oliver, let's play.
Yes.
Daddy Pig coming to visit Peppa in the new house. Where's the new Peppa? Hey, Peppa, Peppa! You're not the new Peppa. You're not the new Peppa. Where's my new Peppa? Oh, there she is. Hello, Peppa.
That's in my house.
You look a little bit flat.
Look at that.
You don't look like my other Peppa.
That
That's
one.
because I'm made of
That one
wood
food.
and I'm flat.
And this one bed.
Oh, look, I like that. That's a nice bed. Can I go to sleep in your bed, please, Peppa?
Yes, that
Let
one
me try.
table.
I think I'm a little bit fat for it, but let's try.
It's too big.
Oh, look! I think I can fit. But it might break if I sleep for too long, so wake me up in 10 minutes, Peppa. Okay, I'll wake you up. Make sure you... Oops! I fell out of the bed! Look, Peppa, this house is such a small house, too small for a growing family of round pigs. What? The new Peppa is much thinner than us, Daddy Pig, so it's alright. Look at how thin she is. Whoop! I'm so thin, you can't even see me.
Okay friends, so that's it for today. This is the first of the wooden Peppa Pig toy range. And we'll have many more to bring. So if you like that, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel and we'll keep making more videos for you. Ready to say bye to everyone, Oliver?
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe.